Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the latest news for Shiba Inu. As I've said recently, very soon there's going to be a huge spike in the cryptocurrency, and we are seeing it happen now. Just like Elon Musk used Dogecoin and got large sum of profit from it, I also benefited from it because all he does is promote funny meme coins. I do not know why he's interested in meme coins, but he likes giving them attention. So recently, as you can see in the news, there have been huge spike in the price of Shiba Inu. According to Yahoo Finance, you can see is Shiba Inu the cryptocurrency you should be watching. The second news, which is 21 hours ago, said why Shiba Inu just spiked, and this one 11 hours ago, Elon Musk share his pet Shiba Inu name, prices of altcoin Shiba Inu surge. So we are going to be looking at this news. I want you to comment down below what you think about this update, and also subscribe to the channel if you're interested in topics like this. So without wasting your time, let's see why Shiba Inu just spiked. So according to this subheading, we can see it spiked because of a tweet from Elon Musk. Here is what his tweet is about. They say Shiba Inu recently saw a massive spike over the last few days because Tesla founder Elon Musk named his dog, which is Shiba Inu, Floki. Yeah, that may sound weird, but the reason is Shiba Inu is a dog owned by Elon Musk. So he chose to call his own Shiba Inu by the name Floki. So what happened with Elon Musk and Shiba Inu? The SpaceX founder Elon Musk recently tweeted about his dog saying, "My Shiba Inu will be named Floki." And because of this, there was a huge spike in the price and also demand for Shiba Inu. After his tweet, that led to a rise in Shiba Inu coin market. As single Shib coin surged by 25% in the hour afterward, leading to a 6-week high of the coin, according to Yahoo Finance. So we are going to confirm that at CoinMarketCapcom. We are going to look at the trending cryptocurrencies that are available right now in the market. So as you can see, all we just need to do is look for Shiba Inu, and you can see this beautiful spike upward. So will it continue on that way, or eventually it's going to come down? My prediction is it will come down eventually because um, altcoin like this they survive on speculation, on attention given to it by popular figures. So that is what I think is going to happen. Just as Elon Musk made Dogecoin fans very happy by talking more about the coin, he is also doing the same with Shiba Inu. Good. So what does that mean for Dogecoin? Maybe Dogecoin will start losing attention, and majority of Dogecoin users will be converting to Shiba Inu so as to make some money out of it. As you can see from the second news, it says Elon Musk shares his pet Shiba Inu's name, price of altcoin surge. So that is all what Elon Musk has been doing. According to the tweet, he said, "My Shiba Inu will be named Floki." And this is when he made the post, and you can see it afterward. It rose very large. I think it will eventually come down, but um, could this be the right time to get into the cryptocurrency? I want you to let me know in the comment section. So subscribe to the channel and like this video because I'm going to be making a video separately on how to buy the cryptocurrency on Binance and how to get it for free. I'm going to reveal that to you. So if you're interested in that, subscribe and stay tuned to the end of the video.